If you can't find information about a project and you tried out all different tools, Dune is the one that will help you with that. Because Dune is a website which lets users create fundamental data analysis, or basically it helps you to do everything in crypto. So Dune is basically just a playground where you are able to do everything. Let's just go, for example, into the recent Hyperliquid launch. Hyperliquid was just like a big project, and let's see what users created for Hyperliquid, or for people to like understand Hyperliquid a bit better. So what you see right here is basically a perps overview. So it shows you which of the projects in the perp space, meaning where you can trade with leverage on chain, have the highest market share. And this again, like when you are a fundamental investor, you want to hold the best projects, and this right here will help you with that. And if you look at the performance of Hyperliquid, like you see that this is actually true. Like they go through the roof. They had a beautiful launch of it, like the token launched in a beautiful way, had perfect stakeholder communication, have a very good project. Based on that, Hyperliquid seems like a legit play. So just make sure like to do your own research and not just listen to a guy who shows you Dune and says, because of that, Hyperliquid looks like a good play. This is not research. All right, this is just a tool that you can use for your research.